Welcome to this training module on supporting middle school students with profound hearing impairment. These learners have little to no functional hearing, even with hearing aids or implants. They rely almost completely on visual communication, Indian Sign Language, gestures, written text, diagrams, and facial expressions. This session will guide you through visual-first strategies that ensure their meaningful participation, learning, and emotional well-being. Students with profound hearing impairment have no meaningful access to speech, cannot rely on auditory information even with devices, depend primarily on ISL and written cues, need fully visual instruction, face gaps in language, vocabulary, and abstract concepts, experience visual fatigue after long periods, struggle with fast-paced or unstructured communication, rely on structured routines and clear expectations. Key insight: speech is not accessible. Visual communication is their primary language. For students with profound hearing needs, the classroom must be visually structured, predictable, and accessible. Strategies: semicircle U-shaped seating for visibility. Teacher always facing the student while communicating. Bright, even lighting, no shadows on face or hands. Use a full-day visual schedule. All instructions must be signed, written, or demonstrated. Use color-coded notebooks, subjects, and routines. Prepare a visual change alert for unexpected schedule changes. Use demonstration-based teaching. Keep transitions slow with clear visual cues. Example activity: visual transition cue. Teacher shows a picture, gesture, or sign before moving on. Communication must always be sign first, visual first, and slow-paced. Supports: use ISL for classroom routines. Pair signing with written keywords. Use simple, clear gestures. Break complex ideas into small steps. Provide written handouts before class. Establish a repeat please sign. Use visual recaps after explanations. Encourage peers to use basic signs. Example activity: ISL plus text instruction set. Teacher signs, writes, read chapter 4, and points to the textbook picture. In profound hearing impairment, devices may offer sound awareness but not speech comprehension. Visual supports remain the backbone of learning. Supports: daily checks of implants processors. Captions on for all videos. Digital notes before class. Visual alarms, light alerts for instructions. Vibrating alert tools for transitions. Visual timers for activities. Apps with signed vocabulary and visual explanations. Written summaries after each concept. Example activity: caption plus summary routine. Show a captioned video follow with a sign plus written summary. Middle school learning requires strong visual scaffolding, especially for abstract subjects. Strategies: use graphic organizers, charts, mind maps. Provide ISL-supported vocabulary lists. Step-by-step visual sequences for math and science. Use diagrams, models, and physical demonstrations. Provide comic strip-style notes for language subjects. Use infographics instead of long paragraphs. Replace oral explanations with signed or written ones. Pre-teach key vocabulary through pictures or ISL. Example activity: visual science process chart, photos, icons showing each step of an experiment. Social participation becomes more emotionally complex in middle school. Students with profound hearing impairment may feel left out of fast group communication. Strategies: teach peers simple ISL greetings and classroom signs. Use structured group work with clear turn-taking. Place student where they can see all members. Use visual My Turn Your Turn cards. Encourage peer notes sharing. Allow the student to choose a communication buddy. Use visual-based games, puzzles, coding, art, robotics. On-screen quote, Sparkles, inclusion happens when communication becomes visible. Sparkles. Communication barriers can lead to frustration, isolation, or low confidence. Emotional support must be intentional. Strategies: use emotion cards with ISL equivalents. Teach self-advocacy signs like help, slow, repeat. Validate their effort in visual learning. Provide calm, private clarification, not publicly. Avoid rushing visual communication. Encourage strengths, visual memory, logical thinking, creativity. Educate peers about empathy and respect. Supporting profound hearing needs requires a strong network around the child. Collaborate with ISL specialists, interpreters, audiologists, speech-language therapists, parents and caregivers, SANE coordinators, class teachers, special educators. Closing message: with consistent sign support, strong visual teaching, and a structured learning environment, middle school students with profound hearing impairment can learn confidently and participate meaningfully. Your clarity, patience, and commitment build an inclusive space where they truly feel seen and supported.